Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to see YouTube video stats on your YouTube app. So if you've been watching YouTube and you've noticed maybe there is a buffering going on or maybe there's a lag in your YouTube videos and you want to see all the stats of that video or of that connection, then let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up your YouTube app. Next you want to go ahead and tap on the U at the bottom right, or that is the profile picture. Then you want to go ahead and tap on the gear symbol at the top right. Now from this page, go ahead and find General, which will be under Account. Now here you're finding Stats for Nerds, so go ahead and enable that feature. And now once you do this, you want to go back to your YouTube page, go back to the video that you're watching. Now to see the stats for that video, go ahead and tap on that, then tap on the gear symbol at the top right. Now at the bottom here, you'll see some menu. Scroll down until you see additional settings. Now here you need to find Stats for Nerds, so go ahead and tap on this. And then this will bring up more details of that video. So this will show you the ID, this will show you some CPM, the views it has, so what kind of resolution. You'll see audio, video, you see the con speed, net activity, and the frame drops. So we're looking at all these details. You'll be able to see or find out where it's actually going wrong. So there you go guys, that is how to see the YouTube video stats on your YouTube app. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.